In this tutorial, we will see that how you can post more than 10 pictures on Instagram in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So to add more than 10 photos on Instagram, so first of all, you have to open this Play Store and simply search for Instagram and simply update it from here, because this post more than 10 pictures on Instagram is only allowed in updated version of Instagram. So firstly, you have to update it to get the feature to post more than 10 pictures. After updating it from here, you can simply minimize it and open your Instagram. Then if we click on this plus icon, here we can choose multiple photos. So firstly we have to click on this, select multiple, and now you can select multiple picture to upload it. Like we have selected 11 photos, you can see here numbering. And after selecting it, simply click on this next. And here are all the photos. And if you click on this next button, it will show you this option of share, where you can simply post these photos. So that's how you can post more than 10 pictures on Instagram in just few easy steps.